Good morning everyone. Today we will study the next chapter, chapter 3, coordinate geometry. Chapter 3, coordinate geometry. I recall your previous knowledge. You already studied how to represent a number on a number line. You already studied how to represent the numbers on a number line. Listen, in a number line, we have to represent the number 3. How we can represent? Number line including positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. That is, in the number line, the integers are there. That all the real numbers are in the number line. Here we have to represent the number line only the integers 1, 2, 3. I want to represent the number 3 on a number line. Draw the number line and then you have to represent the number 3 on a number line. That you already studied. This lesson we have to find, first we have to find out how to locate a point. How to locate the position of a point in a plane. How we can locate the exact position of a point in a plane. Here I am putting a point in the blackboard. I am putting a point here. I ask you what is the exact position of this point in the blackboard. This blackboard. What is the exact position of this point? Different students are different answers are there. What is your answer? One answer. Yes, this point is the upper half of the blackboard. This point is the upper half of the blackboard. Means that is not the exact definition. Here one point is there. You will say the same answer. This point is also the upper half of the blackboard. Then under definition, this is near to the right hand side of the blackboard. Okay. Or this is far away from the left hand side of the blackboard. Or we can say that this point is the very near to the right corner of the blackboard. But all the definitions are not the exact position or the correct position of the point. How we can say the correct position of this point? Look here. Here I am writing one line here from the bottom line of the point or the bottom side of the board, and also I am drawing one line from the left side of the board. Okay. Here I am saying this point is, I am writing point P, point is 5, this one is okay, 10 centimeter away from the bottom of the board, and here I am saying this one is from 15 centimeter away from the left side of the board. We can say. Okay, this point is 11 centimeter away from the bottom of the board and bottom side of the board, and then from the left side of the board the distance of the point is 15 centimeter away from the left side of the board. That is, here I am drawing two perpendicular lines. Using these two perpendicular lines we can locate the position of a point in the plane or blackboard or any other plane. Okay, so using two perpendicular lines we can locate the correct position of the point in a plane. Another example, if in your study table there is a lamp is there, table lamp. Okay, you have to check it how you have to locate the exact position of the table lamp in your study table. Okay, that table is on the table. sorry, the lamp is on the table, you have to check what is the exact position of the lamp on the table. Okay, that is using two perpendicular lines we can locate any point on a plane. We can locate the exact position of the point. Okay. Then one more thing, how we can locate the seating plan of a student in a class? Look here. Columns, this is the columns and this is rows. How many columns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are here. Or we can draw 6 columns. Anyway, we can draw. Okay. Like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sub columns. This rows. 1 column, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we want to find the seating position of a girl, that is Rani. Sit here. What is the seating position of this student in this class? How we can find out? Here columns are here and the rows are here. We can say that the Rani's position is in which column? First we have to say the column 1, 2, 3. Third column, which row? 1, 2, 3. Third row. So we can recognize the sitting position of Rani is in third column, third row. Okay. Then what is here? Sitting Ramu. What is his position? 1, 2, 3. He is also in the third row, third column, and which row? 1, 2, 3, fourth column. That is, his position is 3, 4. But this is a column and this is a row. That is, Ramu is sitting in third column and which row? Fourth row. Third column, fourth row. This is the sitting position. But 3, 4, that is not equal to 4, 3. That is, Lucy is sitting here. This is Lucy's position, sitting position. What is the correct exact place of that position? Column 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column, which row? 1, 2, 3. That is fourth column, third row. That is 4, 3. This 3, 4 is not equal to 4, 3. That is a different position. Okay. Here, how we can locate the exact position of a point in a plane? Using two perpendicular lines, we can locate the exact position of a point in a plane. Here, how we can locate the seating position of a student in a class or in a theatre or any other place? How we can locate? Yes, using columns and rows, we can locate the seating position of a student in a class. Okay, this is an important branch of mathematics. That is called a coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. In this year, we have to study only the basic concepts of coordinate geometry. Next year and higher class, you will study the more about what is coordinate geometry. Here we will study only the basic concepts of coordinate geometry. Okay, coordinate geometry is derived by the famous philosopher and French philosopher and mathematician, that is René Descartes. Okay, this lesson we have to study only the basic concepts of coordinate geometry. Okay, this introduction finished. You have to read and study the introductions. You will get the 1 mark question from this portion. Okay, if you want to locate the exact position of a point in a plane, we have to use two perpendicular lines. One is horizontal and one is vertical. Then if you want to locate the exact seating position of a student in a class, we have to use the two things, that is column, using columns, and rows we have to say the exact position of a student in a class. Okay, thank you all.